hkjetwashing, baby.
Morning everyone. So we're at Nishkam High School for a big clean today. I've got a MK1 coming from Surrey. He's on his way to help me clean the building. It's going to be a fair few days. Just got the jet wash off now, so I'll take you around. So it's just going to be a quick one I'm showing you now. So we're cleaning down to the edge, not all the way, just down to the edge of the roof, and then this way, all of this, all that there, if you follow me, all here. I told you we're going to be here for I reckon 4 days grafting. Trying to speed walk here. Look at that, look at the area. All down there, the tarmac. It's going to be a pleasure to clean this school. It's going to be a good job. So I said all that, then down here. I tell you, this is why I am hkjetwashing clean premises. So far so good then. Basically this area, first initial clean, chemicals got to go down. That'll be today. I'm not going to be able to record the rest of the rinse down. I'll try my best to record what I can of the chemical and then go from there. Right then, day one finished. Whew. What can I say? Definitely underestimated this job. Might need another lad to come in tomorrow. Supposed to be here for 5 days. I've got MK1. Didn't get him on camera. He was working around the back. He's come from Surrey. So he's doing me a huge favour, helping me. A lot of the exterior cleaners now, they're so busy, it's going to be hard to get a lad to come and help on this job. I don't really want this job falling into next week because I'm so busy. Yeah, so I'm going home for some food. Don't think I'm going to the gym. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow morning. How you all doing? Right, it's nearly 7:30. Back, day 2 on the job. Woo-hoo. Weather's not looking too shabby. Here we are, lovely school, Nishkam. So, like I said, I'm only doing time lapses on this YouTube video because I'm too busy now to really record properly and slow it down and whatnot. Power wash exteriors is coming down from Liverpool now. We've already got MK1, so just gonna crack on. Always the way, look. Split O-ring. Gotta change this quickly then. Quick update before my camera dies. We are getting there, we're making progress. Maybe not as fast as I would like. We lost MK1 today, just had a lot of work back in Surrey, but a big shout out to him for coming down and giving me a hand. Yeah, but I want to introduce Brad, Power Wash Exteriors. Here he is, he's got the words for the camera for YouTube.
Just come out of retirement for this. Burnt myself the other week. Come down to help me little mate.
He's burnt himself.
Birmingham from Liverpool. As we do in this game, we help each other out.
Legend.
As you can see, getting on cracking on today, all the way around. Got the tarmac and that to do tomorrow. But the big boss man here today tells us what to do though. Job's a good one.
Alright then. Right. We're done today then. So it's 4 o'clock. Got here at 7:30, that'll be it. We're just going to be tidying up this muck. You can see loads of muck. Yeah, it's dead now. Alright, let me show you all how dirty it is. Look. Brad, Power Wash Exteriors, best in Liverpool. Want anything done, give him a call, get a close up. Look at that. Get a muck. Yes mate, smashing it. just get you all on a close-up. Right, how you all doing? So quick update, just around this section, there's half of it to do, and just a rinse, and then come around here. I did show you all earlier. Look at that. Gonna get all that up and move everything round, straight down and to the tarmac. So it's yeah, it's looking good, a lot better than yesterday, so it's a bit more chilled today. It's looking like we'll be done tomorrow, big cleanup, so yeah. Everyone, how you all doing? So it's Friday, feeling better today, feeling tired, but gotta get on. Just gonna get some waterproof gloves, and then I'm heading straight to Nishkam High School. Should be there around 7:15. We've got a Liverpool exterior cleaning coming down to give us a hand. Me and Power Wash have done as much as we can do, what is physically possible for two lads. So he's going to come and just fill those gaps and give us a boost, because that's what we need now. And yeah, so I'm not going to record today because it's been a lot, like taking the pole round the whole site. I've got a lot of footage so far, and yeah, so but I'll do the after video to show you the results. So results of the job, coming to show you this job on the Sunday. Even though we finished on the Friday, it's done a bit of tidying up. So they've had the builders around here, so they've kind of messed up my work, but what can you do? And then I'll show you down here, straight down, that's all been cleaned compared to what it was before. It's a lot better. I've applied the biocide as well. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. hkjetwashing. I'm out. Let's say bye bye to Nishkam High School.